where everything just went
good, guys? It is day 11 of Vlogmas, and right now I'm on my way to work, but this is the true shakedown of the Christmas lights. If you guys just watched the recent video, bro, we are actually taking the car to work, but hopefully it don't disconnect or fly off on the way to work. That's all I'm hoping. If so, we'll be dragging lights all around. But I really hope it sticks. I'm just nervous, dude. It's not windy anymore either, so that's a good thing. But also, I want to say, I appreciate you guys for showing love on the last video. As always, you guys been killing it with the support, I'm telling you guys. So I'm gonna keep letting you guys know how appreciative I am. And we got good news on the meat, bruh. So I will talk about it later in this video, but I got some really good news. And alright, so far so good. I've been driving for a couple of miles already. I'm almost at my job. I'm running a little late because I'm not trying to speed and have this tape fly off, but almost there. But so far so good. I have, oh damn, I knew it. I forgot to order the reindeer ears, so I need to do that. Order the reindeer ears and the nose, so that we can all have it looking nice for Winter Wonderland. Hopefully we can do that tonight, actually. So maybe in today's video we'll get that done. Guys, we made it to work safe and sound. The tape did not fly off. We are in the clear. I had to get my work clothes, but we are in the clear, bro. Just look at this thing. Holy damn, this thing is insane, bro. I think I did a pretty good job with the whole lining too and everything. Just look at that, bro. Bro, that's insane, dude. So sick. All right, I gotta go inside. I gotta work now. Alright guys, you guys know the dealio. I am on my lunch and I was literally going to order Chick-fil-A and get the chicken burrito, but bro, the app was being stupid. I ordered it, then it canceled it, and then the light right here by my job takes forever to turn green. It takes like 5 minutes, bro, and I was like, you know what, I give up, I'm not going. So yeah, I'm just chilling in my car right now on my lunch. Today the reindeer ears and the nose should arrive because I ordered it this morning and it said it should arrive today. So that'll be sick if it arrives today, because then we can put the reindeer ears on and the nose, and apparently they turn on, so they're LED as well, so that should be sick. Yeah, bro, what do you guys think of the LED lights all around? I know I could have bought more and done the full car, but even this, just doing the outline, body lines look so sick at night, dude, especially when it's rolling. Hopefully today I can get some rolling shots. I'll probably have my girlfriend drive the car and I'll get some rollers. But bro, I think it looks sick. Comment in the comment section below if you guys thought it was sick, or is it tacky, is it played out? I don't know, I just felt like doing it because it's Vlogmas, bro, and it's Christmas month. It's the holiday spirit. So we made it home and everything's still intact, bro. Nothing came off, nothing got loose. Everything's still on there. Hell yeah. I obviously didn't like speed or gun or anything like that. I did go a little fast, but nothing to, you know, take it off. Hell yeah, good thing it's still on. The homie Bees right now is about to come through and check it out, so we'll get his reaction right now. Oh yeah. Let me close the garage so you can see it better. Damn, this look crazy in here.
Which one's your favorite so far?
I don't know. There's like a lot of modes, so here, let's go through them. So there's that one, that one, that one. This one's pretty sick, huh?
This is the one I seen on your channel.
Yeah, this is the one I had.
And the night, that's the one you had it parked over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's clean.
Bro, it looks sick.
Dude.
Like it's just like around the lines. At night, it's crazy, bro.
I was saying, I like this. I feel like I like this one better than like on. I mean, the whole car looks cool, but on the side it's different. I
know, right? It looks clean, more simple. But if I had the wing, I would have done it on the wing. Yeah. But I don't have the wing, so I only did it on the lip. Oh, it does it solid? Damn, that's sick. Yeah, it's these two little boxes with the battery. Running both of them.
Oh shit.
It comes with two remotes, but one of them works for both of them, so it's fine.
That's sick.
I didn't know there was a solid color, bruh. Damn, this one's sick. Like it doesn't flash or anything, it just stay like as a solid color. Didn't even know about this one. I know. You gotta do this on the Challenger next year, G.
Yeah, look here.
Or your another car, whatever you get next year.
Yeah, I was gonna say, whatever I have next year, yeah.
You gotta do it. And then the reindeers are coming in later today. The reindeer
that's
ears.
That's all I have.
Yeah.
The reindeer ears and the fucking.
And the nose, yeah. I'm doing the reindeer ears and the nose, but they're LED.
I ordered the LED ones, bro. I wanted the LED ones, but I only got the plain ones. So I'm like, dude, it's so whack.
I know. I ordered the LED ones for this reason, because this is LED, so it's gonna look sick like that.
What's in your hand, sir?
Nothing. It's that super pack.
Cheeked up.
That's
Dodge
super pack.
Challenger pack right there. The GT pack right there.
What he just showed y'all right now, that's the super right there.
That's that right there. Damn, yo, look at this sunset. It's singing. But we got the lights on. Looks very Christmassy. Ah, the license plate just scratched my leg. Very Christmassy. It looked nice. But I'm over here playing with the headlights. We got the red. We got the turquoise. This is light blue, pink, the jello.
Come this way. They can't even hear you. We are at Costco. This is awkward for me. My girlfriend's vlogging me right now. It's a little awkward. We're here to pick up some stuff for the house. We're picking up some water, sodas. I don't know what else. Oh, look, I need a new desk. I don't know, how much is it? It's 200. The chair is 150. The monitor, that's 850. Tripping. PS5, 435? That's cheap right now, bruh. Usually 500, that's cheap. I've been looking for a new monitor, so trying to see if we can find anything on sale right now. I don't know, man. 200 bucks for this one. It ain't bad. This one's 120. What the fuck? I don't need it right now again. We got chocolate. Chocolate. Okay. I had this before. Nope, just the little baby ones. Mm-hmm.
Guys, it is the next morning. I'm on my way to work, and unfortunately, bro, I was trying to put on the reindeer's ears last night, and I thought they were gonna come in time, but they literally came like around, I want to say 10, bro. So they finally got here, but we're gonna use them today. I'm gonna install them probably when I get to work right now, just to see how they look, because it is still dark. I want to see how the car looks with the reindeer ears and the nose, because they're both LED, so I think it'd be sick. Alright guys, as you guys can tell, I'm on my lunch break at work because I'm still in my uniform. Oh, you guys can see that right there. We got the reindeer ears. I was supposed to put these on yesterday, but they arrived so late last night that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it right now. And I got the LED antler ears, so let's open this up real quick. Okay, let's chip in. Okay, I was like, are they supposed to be like this? Like, why are they so bent? Bent, bruh. Look at these shits, bruh, they're so bent. And this is supposed to turn on. Alright, we gotta pull this thing off. Alright, and then we just hit the button and wow. Let's get this up. Scratch my window. Wow. Hold on, it looks, I can't see. It can stay solid too, so that's different modes. Oh, nice. The most important one, the nose. But it has something like to tie it with, so we won't be able to tie it. We're gonna need some like 3M tape or something to like stick it on the back so it doesn't fly off. But this also has an LED. Wow, 3 little LED lights. Those are supposed to go on yesterday so we could go to Winter Wonderland, so hopefully we could get it in this video. If we don't go to Winter Wonderland, I'm gonna probably drive down the neighborhood area and see if we could go around some houses, maybe like up Ventura, get the Christmas vibe with the Supra. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the content. Like I'm trying out here. It's not as easy as you would seem. Like especially with me working, and then I'm over here still trying to film some content for you guys. Like it's just hard, bro. It's hard. So I put up on my girlfriend while she at work. In her old uniform. And she's gonna help me put the reindeer ears right now. Yeah, I gotta do mine. Oh, I already ripped my tint. It's okay. I gotta get a new tint anyways. What was that laugh though, bro? I hope we got in like the same spot. I don't think we got in the same spot.
So cute. Give me
Here.
the camera.
Oh yeah. Yeah, make him stand up a little bit more. You just look like that.
Yes, bitch. What's that?
This is the nose.
Oh, that's how it came?
Yeah, this is the nose. But obviously we can't use this because I don't have anything to tie it to.
Like that. You need more. I don't think you should leave it on because what if it falls off while you're driving? You're not even gonna know.
It's cool though.
Yeah, it does
Like,
look
it's
good.
fun. Honestly, my car looks like a clown now. Honestly.
Not at night though.
Not at night though. I don't know if it's gonna hold though.
Do a little test
Unless
drive.
I do it like, okay. So as you guys just saw right now, I pulled up on my booth there right now so she can help me out with my antler ears. I think it's gonna look sick at night, but bro, the antler ears just look like this, bro. They're like broken arms. It's funny. But damn, it like ripped up the tint. So I'm gonna need new tint ASAP. Alright, so I'm in the garage now, I'm home. And I had to close the garage to see how it looks with the lights and the red nose and all that and the antler ears. And bro, it looks funny. Low-key, it gives me clown vibes. Like, honestly, it gives me clown vibes. Maybe the antler ears are just too much. Or maybe there's, I have no idea, bro. You guys will understand what I mean. It just gives me clown vibes, especially with the red nose. Look at this, bro. Maybe I'm getting a little too festive, but we got the nose right there. Then we got the antler ears, bro. That is funny, bro. But you guys see what I mean, right? It gives me like vibes, like. But maybe this is a little too festive. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe this is too much. Oh, there it is. The light turned off. Maybe I'm just doing too much for content, huh? Maybe I'm too festive. But tell me this wouldn't look sick driving down Winter Wonderland. Just tell me that wouldn't look sick, bro. Driving at night, going through the houses, and your car's lit up too. Pretty sure there's so many cars that had their car fully lit driving by there already. I'm pretty sure someone already has done it. Have they got it on YouTube yet though? I don't know, I haven't seen it. Kinda looks sick. Kinda looks funny looking. Gives me clown vibes, but I guess to each their own, huh? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, bro. Alright, so I kind of fixed the antler ears out. Now they look a little straight. They were first hella bent, you guys saw before, but now we got them kind of straight now. But we are gonna go find some neighborhood to see if we can find some houses lit up, bro. Because yeah, it's kind of too late for me to go to Winter Wonderland right now. I'll probably do that in another video. But I do want to go by some neighborhoods with houses that are lit up so we can get some footage with the car there. I think it'll be sick. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. Trying to get this video up for you guys today. This video is gonna go up right now. So this is me going right now before I upload it to find some backdrop. Guys, trying to find a neighborhood with like a lot of lights, it is really hard, especially in my area, bro. I feel like I might have to go up towards like Ventura area just to see if I can find anything, because yeah, my area, there ain't nobody. Like there's some houses, but nothing crazy. Like it'll be like a single house in a whole neighborhood, which kind of sucks. Okay, I think I might have found a neighborhood, bro, which is kind of sick. A whole neighborhood right here with just lights. I just need to turn on my lights. I don't think they'd mind. Dude, this is so sick. Hold on, let me see if I can just stop right here real quick. So look what I did. I'm like surrounded by so many houses with hella Christmas lights. That's so sick. But look at the front end. Here, let me turn off the front lights. They got so many more lights. I low-key want to put my Insta360 just so we could drive down this neighborhood. Look how it looks. Full at night with the reindeer ears. Holy shit, bro. This thing looks insane with the houses in the back. Let's see if I can put my Insta360 on. It's set up, but I'm doing the update firmware right now, so it's taking a minute, but dude, it looks so sick. Like just next to the houses, we got the matching lights. But like there's so many houses out here with lights like this too. That corner, even down there. I seen some house over there that had like a whole little neighborhood, like a whole cul-de-sac just filled with lights. So I hopefully want to pass by there. It looks so sick. I just gotta find it in one of these streets. All right, so we got the Insta360 connected, but it doesn't want to connect to my phone, but it is recording. But look, all these houses, majority of them have lights. Oh yeah, I do gotta bust a U-turn. Oop. Oh damn, I found it. I found the street. I gotta bust a U-turn, cause yeah, that was the street right there. But this Honda is nice though. Dude, just look at all these. This is what I'm talking about, bro. They got down. See, when I get a house, I want to do all this. All this right here. This is so sick. Look at this, bro. That's so sick. I wonder if there's more houses like that. Alright, so I have the camera right here, the Insta360. It doesn't let me connect to my phone, but hopefully I can edit it later, and I hope it looks sick. Cause damn, just look at the way this thing is mounted. This thing is crazy. It's like a unicorn, bro. I hope it doesn't fall. Holy shit. I'm scared it's gonna fall, bro. But it should be on there pretty good. I hope. Oh, that stick looks insane just on my hood. It looks like a unicorn. Say, bro, I've never done this. I've never mounted it to the front of my car.